I'm Alessandro Lombardi, I'm the Pharma Division Manager of Neotron.
I'm Luca Vogesi and I'm dealing with business development and pharma sales for Pharma Division of Neotron.
There are a lot of key success factors. The main one are being flexible in terms of analytical support to the customer. A new organization in sales. We turned from being generalist into more specific. Third one, have a dynamic team. Everyone in the team can perform every kind of analytical activities. And the fourth, that is the most important, is to have some advantages coming from the know-how of Neotron Food.
So 40 years in the testing and analytical services help so much in terms of rapidity and have the state-of-the-art technologies for support customers, for quality control testing, but also for support in authority recall like it was elemental impurities and nitrosamine during the last years.
Finally, we'll have more spaces, so we'll have the possibility to manage a huger amount of incoming sample. Second, we can finally increase the number of team members. And third one, we finally can invest in different analytical activities to enlarge our analytical portfolio, as for example into the leachable and extractable and in the biopharmaceutical field.
So the new Pharma Lab gives us more spaces, more possibility of acquiring new equipment that help us in strengthen the relationship with existing customers here in the Italian market, but also start a process of business development in key countries in Europe, but also at an international level.
The first advantage respect to the competitor is to be on one roof, one site laboratory. In this case, it allows us to be more customer-centric in terms of quick sharing of needed information for the customers. The most benefit for the customer are, in my opinion, that we are not a simple analytical services provider, but we are strengthening our relationship with the customer, becoming a real partner with them.
So there are many players in the market for the analytical testings. Obviously, what is the aim of Neotron is to be not a simple supplier of customers, but be a real partner to help customers in their trouble in terms of analytical needs, but also be a reliable partner.
Well, what I'm facing along the past few years that I'm managing the laboratory is that there is an increasing trend for pharmaceutical company to externalize a lot of activities in terms of quality control testing, asking for support for analytical method validation, and also for the improvement of manufacturing process that needs an analytical support. The second question is that Neotron Pharma has a strong position in the domestic market. In the medium terms, we would like to expand our customers also in the rest of the EU.
The pharmaceutical market is growing a lot since last years, but also the trend is to grow more and more at an international level for small molecules world, but also large molecules and so biopharmaceutical. The aim of Neotron is to consolidate its business in the domestic market, but also reach new markets by developing new services like could be extractable and leachable, biopharma. So this helps the sales team to cross-sell and upsell in their market, but also be able to reach new customers that are moving to the next future of the pharma world.